Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting developments in the drone industry, DJI's game-changing Flip drone. With an official announcement slated for January 14th, this revolutionary device is already generating significant buzz among drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. In this video, we'll explore everything we know about the DJI Flip, from its lightweight design and innovative features to its potential impact on the drone market. Stick around as we unpack how this marvel could redefine expectations for sub-250G drones, making waves in both the recreational and professional arenas. The DJI Flip, what we know so far. Recent leaks have given us an intriguing glimpse into the DJI Flip, a compact drone weighing under 250 grams. This weight category is more than just a technical specification, it's a strategic choice. By keeping the Flip under this threshold, DJI ensures compliance with regulations in many regions, such as exemption from FAA registration for recreational users in the United States. This move lowers barriers for first-time drone pilots, making the Flip an accessible entry point into the world of aerial technology. The Flip follows closely on the heels of the DJI Matrix 4 ET, released earlier this year, marking DJI's second major launch of 2025. Leaked details from trusted insiders like Igor Bogdanov, Jasper Ellens, and LV suggest that this lightweight drone is poised to be a game-changer, offering advanced features in a portable package. A strategic approach to weight and design. The decision to develop a sub-250G drone like the Flip aligns with DJI's proven strategy of catering to both hobbyists and professionals. This design philosophy mirrors the success of DJI's Mini series, which has long dominated the lightweight drone market. However, the Flip isn't merely a continuation of the Mini line, it's a potential disruptor. With unique features and a focus on portability, the Flip may signal a shift in DJI's strategy to expand its lightweight offerings. The Flip introduces a foldable design, making it incredibly convenient for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. This architecture ensures that portability doesn't come at the expense of functionality, a hallmark of DJI's design expertise. Whether you're hiking up a mountain or exploring a bustling city, the Flip's compact size makes it an ideal companion. Unlike complex obstacle avoidance systems found in other DJI models, this LED display provides instant feedback on essential metrics such as flight mode, battery life, and operational status. This user-friendly feature underscores DJI's commitment to enhancing the piloting experience through simplicity and efficiency. In addition, the Flip comes equipped with the DJI RC2 controller as standard. This controller, featuring an integrated display, eliminates the need for a smartphone connection, offering a seamless piloting experience. By prioritizing ease of use, DJI ensures that the Flip appeals to both novice users and seasoned operators. Imaging excellence in a compact drone. DJI has a reputation for delivering exceptional imaging capabilities, and the Flip is no exception. Leaked sample photos suggest that the Flip will offer high-resolution imaging, vibrant colors, and excellent low-light performance. These attributes make it a powerful tool for content creators, photographers, and videographers who need a lightweight, portable solution without compromising on quality. If the Flip matches or surpasses the imaging performance of larger drones, it could set a new standard for compact devices in this category. For professionals and hobbyists alike, the Flip promises to deliver unparalleled visual storytelling capabilities, redefining the lightweight drone market. The Flip's introduction raises critical questions about its role within DJI's broader product lineup. While it shares the sub-250G weight class with the Mini series, the Flip appears to target a distinct audience through its advanced features and innovative design. This differentiation suggests that DJI is working to fragment the lightweight drone market further, creating specialized options to cater to diverse user needs. Implications for the drone market. The Flip's advanced features, such as its foldable design and LED display, are likely to set benchmarks for the industry. Competitors may be prompted to accelerate their innovation efforts to keep pace, ultimately benefiting consumers through increased choice and improved technology. DJI's emphasis on regulatory compliance and user-friendly design reflects broader trends in the drone market, where manufacturers are prioritizing accessibility and ease of use. What to expect on January 14th? As the official announcement date approaches, excitement is building within the drone community. Key details such as pricing, technical specifications, and market positioning remain under wraps. However, the leaks we've seen so far suggest that the Flip will deliver a compelling blend of portability, performance, and user-centric features. Will the Flip include autonomous flight modes or enhanced connectivity options? How will it compare to other drones in its weight class? These questions will likely be answered during DJI's January 14th event. Conclusion: as we count down to the official announcement, it's clear that the DJI Flip has the potential to redefine the lightweight drone market. Its innovative features, user-friendly design, and focus on accessibility make it a promising addition to DJI's storied history of innovation. Thank you for tuning in to Technology in the Future. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech innovations. Let us know in the comments what features you're most excited about for the DJI Flip. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.